In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the SSL certificate error in Google Chrome. It's a common issue that many of us encounter while surfing the internet, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the steps that will not only help you understand what causes the error, but also how to resolve it effectively. SSL certificate errors occur primarily because Chrome cannot verify a site security certificate. This might sound alarming, but it's usually a straightforward fix, so let's dive right in. First off, when you see this error, it's important to stay calm and not panic. What it means is that there is an issue with verifying the security of the site you are trying to visit. It doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong with your device or internet. It's often just a security protocol that needs a little manual tweaking. To begin, open Google Chrome and head to the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of your browser window. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Settings option. This will open an entirely new tab dedicated to your browser's settings. Now, what you need to do is look at the panel on the left and find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Click on that to advance to the next page. In this section, you're going to see a list of various options that help keep your browsing experience safe and secure. Look for Security and give it a click. Once you're on the Security page, scroll down to find an option labeled Use Secure DNS. It's crucial to make sure this feature is turned on because DNS servers play a role in how your web connections are secured. When you enable it, an additional step is necessary. Under the With section, choose Google, Public DNS, or perhaps another trusted DNS provider that you prefer. These are reliable and safe, and often a good choice for most users looking for enhanced security. After you've made these changes, it's time to see if the issue has been resolved by restarting Google Chrome. Head back to the website that initially gave you the SSL certificate error and try accessing it once more. If the problem is still there, don't lose hope. We have another simple trick up our sleeves. Go back to the Privacy and Security section within Settings. This time, select Clear Browsing Data. Here, you should specifically focus on clearing the cached images and files. Once selected, click on Delete Data. Clearing the cache can often resolve SSL errors by removing outdated files that might be causing conflicts. Finally, relaunch Chrome and check to see if that pesky SSL error has vanished. By following these steps, you've not only improved your internet security features, but also resolved a common browsing hiccup. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.